So today I hear there's some kind of drive or meet. So I'm going to that now. Stay tuned for that. And hopefully today is fun.
They are bored, they don't know where to go.
What's crazy is I think this is the only G81 in Ghana. 720S, you know, we have a couple, but I think this is one of the fastest. C63, C63, and then my So yo, this is a G82 from the other day. I think it's a comp, an M4 comp. So the guys are doing something interesting in December apparently. So yeah, got the 720S parked up. F90. This is the LCI. You can tell from the lights. And then I mentioned the G81 already. And the GLC 63, my bad. And the GLE 43 next to it. Mental. I'll say again, amongst all the cars here, the 720S and this here, which are you picking? Last week I told you which one I'll pick, but like I changed my mind now. So I'm gonna get a video of the car revving. Where's the file? This is a 43. So CS 43, 63, 63, 63, G81, 720, M4, M5, M5, fam. Right, literal car heavy. Cars are all the way parked up. I don't know, nowadays the B9 RS5 is something of interest to me. More people are coming through. It's like a filling station takeover, yo. Madness. Woo. I don't know how many more people they are waiting for, but I think this is my favorite car here today. Today, this is my favorite car here. Fam. Line up, yeah. Hey, B. Hey. Kai. Kai. Ah, that's the John Wick. But this car is shifted. It sounds like it's been tuned, but it's not stock.
Yes, hardware.
Yes, hardware. The G81, so you said the same thing. Charlie, honk for me, honk for me, honk for me. The fuck up will be crazy.
Where they coming from?
too they go. Fuck off. Kai, the AMG they scream. Kai. Why did they go straight? I thought we were going to the Kai.
I'm hearing a symphony. Hey, you!
You are very famous.
I don't What did that M3 watch?
Sound like Ladybug. The John Wick. The boys are pulling up. Look at the McLAREN, man. Pulling up. Yeah. Damn. Ask them. They brought us here. That's my sister.
What happened?
I'm just gonna quietly walk around the cars. E63. Taking over Ligon. I honestly can't decide which car I like. I know I keep asking you guys which cars you like. I can't choose because I'm always changing. What, real bro, which car do you like? Which car do you like here?
You can see I'm a BM guy.
Uh-huh.
But I have to admit this GT63 revs.
Yeah.
This one.
That's the one.
Yeah.
That's the one. That's the one. What about you?
Oh, my dream car, GT63 AMG.
Me, I want the G81. This one. When I get this, we'll just laugh. Yeah, because it just sounded like it did. a satin black. I don't know whether it's a wrap or the actual color.
Have a different feeling, I swear to God. I'm a bad passenger.
Bloody hell! God, dust to my eyes. I thought.